Alright, this is the second video showing that the DWM desktop Windows management is off. And also this is the basic Windows arrows turned off. It shows that all my fans are off. My pump is also off. So as you can see, fans are off, pump is not working. There's really nothing running. So hopefully you can hear this. This is me moving my mouse. Just moving my mouse. The desktop. Nothing's running. So again, moving my mouse. And if I turn this on, moving my mouse again, but there's no more coil whine. And I'm pretty sure the coil whine is caused by some sort of hardware acceleration in the graphics card. But I have no idea what's causing it. This is the only thing I found to actually remedy this problem. So if anyone else has other ideas, it would be much appreciated.